What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Pastor Marlon Locke, Senior Pastor of Unity Gospel House of Prayer, and I'm so excited. This is our 14th year annual turkey drive, giving back to the community. And you know what? We got some of our partners here with me, man. So first off, to God be the glory. But this is something we do every year, every Monday before Thanksgiving. We literally feed 250 families Thanksgiving dinner, and I'm so excited, man, to be able to do this every year. And like I aforementioned, to God be the glory, but we couldn't do it on our own. We got some amazing partners. My brother from another mother, Chad Roper. Talk to the people, man.
Man, listen, it's Chad Roper from Dreams Never Expire. I want to shout out our sponsors, Aurora, for working with us and adding to what we're doing here. My wife Keisha, Roped in Love, her company chipped in and helped us out. So we just want to feed families and continue to do this. This is our second year doing this, and we're just glad to partner. We can feed more together. That's how I look at it, bro.
We stronger together. And listen, Nana's baby. We lost my mother-in-law 7 years ago, and her nonprofit organization, her mama was a big giver, right? Our Nana was a big giver. So this is just her way of giving back as well, right? The legacy continues. So remember, what you do, make sure it's roped in love, right? Whatever you're dealing with, God's gonna get you through it. And if you obey God, He's gonna bless you real good.
One thing about a dream, it never expires. Peace.